What's going on, guys? As a quick note with the Chevy Malibus, if you have to change a headlight bulb or a turn signal bulb or a side marker indicator, you've got to pull off most of the front bumper cover and you've got to pop the headlight assemblies out. If you're going to do all that, you might as well go ahead and replace every single bulb, because I've noticed the more you remove these, the more things are likely to break on them. And the bumper cover as well, you know, there's some clips on there that you've got to unseat and reseat. So what I'm doing, I had a headlight bulb that went out, a low beam. I went ahead and changed all of the bulbs. So your side marker bulb, it's a 194, H9 for the low beam, H11 for the high beam. And there's a turn signal parking light bulb as well, a 4157. So I went ahead and changed all of those. And I noticed too, there was a little bit of moisture inside of the lens assembly. So what I've done to address that is I let it dry out on this oven here, this gas oven that's always on. I removed all the bulbs and let it just dry out. And I took and I applied a bead of silicone all along the top here. After I've unclipped, there's like a gasket piece here that you can remove. So I've unclipped that, put silicone all up on it and clicked it back on. And yeah, so now I can reinstall these. They're sealed up and I'll never have to remove them again, hopefully. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or any advice about changing the bulbs on your Malibu. Oh, and one quick note as well, I did not seal the bottom. If water does get in, I want it to be able to leak out the bottom somehow. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions.